In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. So to turn on dark mode, firstly open WhatsApp Android application, then click on these three dots, then click on settings. In this list, click on chats. Now this first option, click on theme underneath display. Now here are some options like choose system default theme, light and dark. So select dark, then click on OK. That's it. So as we can see now, this WhatsApp application is in dark mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick method, we can know how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp Android application. Thanks for watching.